So I'm tracking my YouTube growth, and now I have 717 subscribers towards my first 1,000 that I need to monetize with Google AdSense. I think I have gone up to 145 videos. That's a lot of videos. However, some people post one video and get 700,000 views. Why some people post 100 videos and get and get 36 views. So this video is my latest video, not short. This one is about emergency travel certificate. That one got 36 views, one thumbs up. If you ever watch a video and you like the content in it, all, give it a thumbs up, or just give it a thumbs up. Engage with the video so that others can see it, because the algorithm pushes it when other people engage with it. So I've posted about 6 videos in the past week. This one is about my trip to Switzerland, parts 1 and 2. And then I made another video about keeping a valid passport at all times. That is the first video in the series about emergency certificates. And I'm going to make a third video that explains the process of applying for an emergency certificate. I had gone to the Hot Air Balloon Festival last week, Saturday. So that was part of this week's video. I posted it after Saturday. So it was in this last 7 days. And then this is about the C5 form, because I've gotten a couple of questions on TikTok about it, asking me when it should be filled. So I reposted this video that I had posted on a different TikTok YouTube account. And of course the question continues about um citizenship. Ugh, this one is going to make me crazy. The questions keep coming in and they're the same questions. Am I still a citizen? Can I get my kid's citizenship? And I've been answering this question over and over. But anyway, these are my last videos for this week. I'm not worried about my videos and how many views they have, because videos stay up and one day somebody will find them and that video could end up getting 1,000 views. So YouTube is not for the swift. Some people stay on YouTube for years and then they finally make it big. I remember one girl who is a millionaire now. If you don't know her, I'd be very surprised. She calls herself the Patricia Bright now. Back in the day, she was Brit Pop Princess, and she changed from Brit Pop Princess to using her full name now, because her name is her brand. So she's now the Patricia Bright. She became a millionaire on here. She started off doing makeup, and her makeup game was just as weak as mine. I swear. I used to watch her because I that was back in the day when I just discovered people on YouTube putting on makeup and getting dressed up, and I was thinking, but I do this all the time. How I never made a video about this? But that was back in the day when I always loved fashion, always dressing up. My sister and my mom always said I'm not going anywhere. All I do is try on my clothes. Then I discovered girls trying on clothes and showing them and becoming famous on YouTube. I was like, what universe have I wandered into where this is actually a thing? I was like, I have met my tribe. But I was waiting on my green card and it was a whole bunch of stuff. And I was trying to get into school and it was just too much for me to like do that in that mental state that I was in. So I didn't get into that. But the Patricia Bright is now famous. She has millions of followers on Instagram. She gets paid to travel everywhere. She's rich because she started off doing, I think she was doing the eyelashes that everybody were doing, having branded eyelashes from China, and she was selling that. Then she started selling hair, and of course she was wearing the hair she was selling. And then before that she was being invited, and then after that she was being invited to events. And before you know it, the Patricia Bright, Brit Pop Princess, is now a full-fledged millionaire. I even bought a course from her on something. I forgot what it was. I paid £45 for it, which means I paid like 60 US or something like that. So, she got rich off of me too. I didn't mind. It was great information. But yeah, so anyway, the point is, I don't mind that my videos only have 28 views or 7 views. They will blow up, because my business page on Instagram had like 2,000 followers for a long time. And I was posting and posting and posting. And now I took it seriously. I focused on it. I honed in on it. And I had to ignore my sewing page and my teacher page and just focused on passport. And that's another thing I need to talk about in another video, about how when you focus on doing something and you figure out ways on how to do it better and you keep improving it every day, how you will find the success. Right now I'm up to 15,000 followers, and for a page that is not an entertaining page, I really love my growth. I'm surprised every time how many people are following me, and I'm not even doing anything comedic. I'm not asking any funny random questions, clickbait type of questions, or questions to get people just to respond. But yet I'm about to have 15,000 followers soon. So all right, I don't know what happened this week with posting my shorts. Something happened with my shorts. I made this one about this building. This is a video asking what is this building in Hartford, and it got 427,000 views. Oh, I should be doing this in horizontal mode. Oops. I'll think about it. The hot air balloon got 443, 427, and all of my videos were getting in the 400s. First of all, it was 674, 633, then it went to 400s. Then I got 38 views on this. This video quality is not the best. And then I only got 77 views on this one. This doesn't have a lot of information in it. This was just me walking through the airport in walking out of the airport in London to the adjoining train station. This was just me talking about being in the cutest hotel in London. This is a short videos can just have one little bit of information in it, or just something cute. It doesn't have to be anything serious. And then I got 16 views on this, 7 views on this. I am using audio on this one that is limited in one country. I deleted the video, uploaded it again, and apparently I'm still using a song that is limited in some countries. That is why I posted the same video like 3 times. I wanted this in the middle here with the couch to be the cover photo, or this one holding the suitcase to be the cover photo. But long story, I uploaded it and I forgot to set the cover photo, so I re-uploaded it. And then once they said it was limited in certain countries, I re-uploaded it. And so now I have the same video. Oh, 4 times. Oh, I deleted this one with 84 views. I thought I deleted it. Well, it still got 84 views, but these views are really low. So something has happened to my shorts. I don't know. Let me look at my analytics. I don't think it's going to tell me why. I got 197 comments. That must be overall. Latest creation, emergency certificates. Do you have a travel emergency? And these are my other shorts. My other shorts got 3,000 views. I don't know how those got 3,000 views. I don't know what was special about them, but yeah. 706 people shared my videos. That's cool. More shares is great. 68,000 people watched my videos, but I need the analytics to tell me why my videos have dropped in views this past week. Get in-depth analysis and advanced controls with YouTube Studio app. I think I deleted that app yesterday to make space. All right, so I won't get into it any further. I'm just watching my growth because I am taking YouTube seriously. The point of this video, everybody's saying, well, now that you're a certain age, you can still go on you can still make it big on YouTube. Now is a great time to do it. Everybody should make YouTube videos. I don't think everybody should make YouTube videos. I think if we're all making YouTube videos and trying to become YouTube famous, who's going to be doing the actual work? But I love making videos, and everywhere I go, I want to record a video of it, and there's somebody who wants to see it. Not everybody wants to watch it, but there's some people who want to see it, and that is how I end up having 717 subscribers. So I'm going to keep sharing, keep figuring out ways that I can share better content. One thing I want to do is integrate my literacy page with this page, since this page is growing. Since this page is growing, it's not growing fast, but it's growing. It doesn't matter. I don't have 7,000 followers, but I want to keep my literacy going because I think that one offers great value. It's something everybody can take away from, whereas with the passport information, it's only relevant to Jamaicans and maybe non-Jamaicans who want to become citizens. So this is extremely niche, which is why it doesn't grow as fast. So I'm trying to integrate my travels. It's editing travel videos is so much work. I'm not doing a great job of it, but I feel like I just want to throw up my mishmash videos and just let it be pieced together because it's a lot of work just coordinating the clothes you're going to wear for the occasion, and then the filming. Whenever you go to a place, you have to stop to film it. If it doesn't come out properly, you have to film it again. You have to have good light, you have to have good everything. And then when you're done filming like a day in a city, then you have to go home and piece it all together and edit out this and put in that and put in words on the screen. And then you have to do the voiceover explaining, what's happening. It's so much work. So until I've perfected my travel video content, I am just going to post my videos, piece them together, take out pieces that are not necessary. Sometimes I'll do a voiceover, sometimes not, because it's a lot of work. I just want to show the places I go because everything is just so amazing to me. Everything is beautiful. Every time you go somewhere, you see something new. It's just all so exciting, and I love to share that. Anyway, I've rambled on. But if you have stayed to the end of this video, then you are my people. So please subscribe, engage, leave a comment. Let me know if you would consider starting a YouTube channel, because from what everybody has been saying, it is quite lucrative. And even if you grow slowly, you eventually will grow if you keep doing it and you keep improving. Don't just keep doing it the same thing every day. Don't say use the same dark and blurry videos. Keep improving. So you make your first video and it's a little dark and blurry. The sound is not good. You watch other YouTube videos and you see what equipment they say they use and their lighting is good and whatever. If you can afford it, you buy that microphone, because I tell you this much, the microphone sound makes a difference to your videos on Instagram, TikTok, and on here. Because I post videos on Instagram that were poor quality that I use a microphone for, boom, it got a lot of views. So you start, adding one a piece of equipment here, a piece of equipment there. You start seeing what people say they do. You add a little lighting, and gradually, you don't do the same thing continuously expecting to grow. You have to keep making it better, but just don't give up. Anyway, Look out for more travel content, more literacy content, more small business ownership content, and some general content about self improvement. These are all the things I want to work on, but there's not enough hours in the day. All right, I'm Gail of 876 Arguments. If you have watched this whole video, I appreciate you. Leave a comment letting me know if you have watched this video to the end. Say I watched it to the end, so I know you were my people. I'll give you a shout out in my next video. Thank you for watching.